Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to intonate your bass. Intonation is vital for any bassist, ensuring your instrument plays perfectly in tune across its entire neck. This process guarantees that every note, from the open string to the highest fret, sounds exactly as it should. A properly intonated bass provides a much more enjoyable and accurate playing experience for you and your audience. It truly makes a significant difference. Before diving into the adjustments, gather your essential tools. You will need a precise electronic tuner, a small Phillips head screwdriver, and a capo. It is also important to put on a fresh set of strings and tune your bass to your desired standard pitch. Finally, ensure your bass's action and neck relief are set comfortably, as these affect intonation. Let's begin the intonation process. First, tune your open E string perfectly. Then, gently fret the E string at the 12th fret and check its pitch with your tuner. If the 12th fret note is sharp, use your screwdriver to move the bridge saddle backward a tiny bit. If it is flat, move the saddle forward. Repeat this precise adjustment for each of your bass's 4 or 5 strings. After adjusting each string, it is crucial to recheck both the open string and the 12th fret pitches. Sometimes, adjusting one string can slightly affect another. Play various chords and scales up and down the neck to ensure consistent intonation across the entire fretboard. Remember, even very small, precise adjustments can significantly improve your bass's playability and overall sound quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.